Hi, welcome to Abhyas online classes. Here I'm explaining you how to attend the online classes and which website you have to follow. Everything I'll guide you here. You just open any kind of browser. It may be Google Chrome, it may be Mozilla Firefox. You just open that particular browser and you just simply type on abhyas.visaiqxt.com. You just remember this website, this link address. Anyway, we'll share you this link address to you. Okay, and this is your home page. It will ask you to log in here. Before where do you get this link? I'll help you. Before that, I'm just creating admin side. I'm just creating an account, a student account. Okay, I'm just creating a student account here. Yeah. I'm just entering student name. And entering the student's email address. I just simply clicked on register. Okay, and once it is done, normally student will get an email. Okay, welcome to Abhyas. This kind of email student will receive. Okay, you just simply open that email. Okay, and you just click on set password. Okay, it will ask you to reset your password. You just uh, reset your password, and after that normally we gonna allocate a course to the particular student. It may be CLAT, it may be GRE, it may be IELTS, it may be anything. Okay, it may be CAT, anything. Okay, like it will ask you to normally will ask you to join in any particular course. Okay, after that student will receive another email to join in that course. Okay, for example, this student, he enrolled for CLAT, and you may be enrolled for IELTS, you may be enrolled for GRE, you may be enrolled for CAT. Okay, you'll be getting that. It will ask you to join in that course. You'll be receiving an invitation email. Okay, you just simply click on join course. Okay, then it will ask you to enter username and password. Username, as you know already, like your email ID, and password whatever you reset. Okay, I'm just entering. This is your home page. I have entered into this student portal. Okay, this student registered for too many batches. Okay, you just simply click on this three lines. Okay, then choose live classes. Okay, and click on sort by date. Okay, and tomorrow, maybe today, there is a class. It will start from so and so time. You have two different icons, two different buttons. You have to choose launch. Then it will ask you a permission, allow speaker access. Okay, click on allow speaker access. After that, you just click on this small shop or lock symbol. Click on that. Okay, then go to site settings. Okay, Now I'm into the site settings. Okay, here camera and microphone should be in allow mode. Camera, it's already in allow mode. Microphone, I'm changing it to allow mode. Next thing, it will ask you to reload this particular page. Okay, and simply click on reload. Yeah, it is done. Like why you need to do these changes, there is a faculty video and there is a audio, right? If you want to listen, if you want to see the video and if you want to listen the audio, you have to select these two should be in allow mode. Okay, then enjoy your live classes. Okay, this is how we deliver online live classes. If you have any queries, you just call us. Anyway, separate dedicated support team is there. They'll help you in any kind of situations. We have too many different IDs, like one is EduSquares, one is Edmark, one is VisIQ. Okay, uh, if you're related to CLAT product, there will be two different IDs. One is VisIQ for live classes and other EduSquares for online tests and recorded classes, everything. And if you're related to ILTS, there is an Edmark ID and there is a VisIQ ID. Okay, there is a mobile application also, like if you are using iOS or if you are using Android, you just open Play Store. You just simply search this text. Okay, WIZIQXT, VisIQXT. Okay, there is an application. Okay, you just download and install that application and enjoy your live classes from your mobile. Okay, and yeah, this is how we gonna deliver all these sessions. And if you have any queries, please be approach us and we'll help you in any kind of situations. Thank you so much.